Have you ever wanted a custom program for your lawn from someone who knows what they're doing? That's exactly what I'm here to offer. I'm now doing online consultations. What these are Zoom calls. So what I have is you email me all your information about your lawn, where you're located, and a backstory for the lawn. We do a 40-minute Zoom call, and I will give you a month-by-month plan of exactly what products to use, how to use them, and when. And I'm only charging right now for the springtime $90. So I will make you a custom lawn program for $90. The reason I want to do this is we make a lot of lawn videos. I'm sure a lot of you watch all these videos. You want to know what this and that's going on with your lawn. Well, we make these videos. I don't know what's going on with your lawn. So I make a vague recommendation off of what we see the most of or what's going on this time of the year. But a lot of areas have different soils, different conditions, things like that, and even different types of St. Augustine. So it's hard when you're looking for videos to find the right one for you. So instead for making a million videos and hoping I make the one for you, I'm pretty much gonna make a custom video for you by doing that 40-minute Zoom call. And what you can do is you can email me at turforganics904@gmail.com if that's something you're interested in, get you on the schedule, and we'll do a 40-minute Zoom call for $90 with a month-by-month custom plan for your lawn. I'm hoping I can give true DIYers that have had constant issues with their lawn or always wondering about this and that and haven't found a video exactly for that. That's exactly what I want to do by giving this. And again, the $90 is going to be just limited time for the spring, which is the perfect time to get control of your lawn now. So if you're interested, email me at turforganics904@gmail.com and we will get something scheduled so I can make you a custom lawn program.